In this video, I am bringing to you my end of summer tablescape, and it's coming up right now. Welcome to This and That with Denise Jordan. If you're new to my channel, I teach women how to make wise home health and beauty decisions. So if you want to learn more about running a household, subscribe. Or if you want to learn about products that can benefit you in your home, subscribe. Because I do videos about those topics all the time. And hit that little bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming videos. But definitely check out the show notes in the description box below, because that's where I will link my favorite housekeeping and gardening solutions. Okay, so let's jump into the video. Kimberly Davis at Diva Designing on a Dime wants to hold on to summer just a little bit longer. So she invited all of us to join her in a collaboration where we would show off an end of summer tablescape. And I thought, what a perfect opportunity to show off the blues, the whites, the yellows, as well as the golds that come about with the end of summer. Let's take a look. So when I look at this tablescape, I think summer, I think rustic, I think farmhouse. Just a classic farmhouse tablescape. And I am loving the tablecloth here with the bright blues that represent the blue sky we see in the summer, the golds that accent the sunflowers, and the bright yellows that we see in the fall, or as fall approaches, and then the whites, of course, just represent that everything summer. So I felt like this blue, white, and yellow tablecloth was the perfect tablecloth to use for this end of summer tablescape. And then let's take a look at the napkins. If you see, the stripes are running this way. So the napkin on this end is situated so that the stripes are running vertical to the parallel stripes. But if you're seated this way, then the stripes are running vertically. So then the napkin is folded so that the stripes are running parallel, or rather horizontally to the stripes on the table. And this tablecloth and napkin collection I put together myself. I made it from some material that was in my stash. Now again, as you look overall, when I think about the end of summer, in Indiana, end of summer means fall is hard upon us, and it's apple picking season. So the apple festivals are about to start. There's lots of apples in the store, apple cider, caramel apples, and that kind of thing. So the fruit that we were asked to make sure was a part of the tablescape, I felt had to be an apple. And then also the reds and the browns in the apple perfectly complements the brown rustic trim here on the plates, as well as the brown charger, and also the brown in the watering can and the eyes of the sunflowers. So I really feel like the colors all come together. And then this little picture here, you probably saw in a haul that I did last week. I thrifted it, knowing I would use it for something, I just didn't know what. And then here we find it here on this tablescape. And I complemented it with with a pair of white salt and pepper shakers. And again, they have that farmhouse look. So I just feel like it just all really works together. We've got tall glasses for iced tea and lemonade, because of course in Indiana you serve iced tea and lemonade with almost everything. And then we'll have coffee with dessert. So you've got these beautiful, beautiful kind of a coppery brown mugs with a white center that perfectly complements the pitcher, the watering can, as well as the plates. And then the brown kind of echoes just a little bit the gold that is in the stripes on the tablecloth. So I am just really pleased with how well this turned out. to take this opportunity to thank Kimberly Davis at Diva Designing on a Dime for hosting this challenge. It was so much fun, and it was certainly a way for us to hold on to summer just a little bit longer. So thank you, Kim, for giving us the opportunity to do that. And if you are not familiar with Kimberly's channel, I will link it below because she does some amazing things over there. You will definitely love what you see. And also, I'll link the playlist so that you can see what other end of summer tablescapes the other creators have come up with. So now here's my question for you. What part of this whole tablescape do you find most interesting? Tell me in the comments section below. And just so you know, I've raised 3 children. I've managed a home for more than 45 years, and I am a nurse by profession. So if you want to learn more about running a household, cooking and cleaning and laundry and gardening and health and beauty, subscribe. I would love to have you as a member of the TNT community. In the meantime, this is Denise Jordan saying goodbye. I'll see you in another video.